Picture this, a new stealth fighter, codenamed the F-47, slicing through the skies at speeds we've only dreamed about. Its radar signature practically invisible, and its arsenal brimming with cutting-edge tech. Sound like sci-fi? Well, this is Boeing's newly revealed next-generation air dominance fighter, set to replace or enhance the F-22's role. But here's the kicker. Some experts say it could redefine what it means to dominate the skies. Surprise fact.
Nothing in the world comes even close to it, and it'll be known as the F-47. The generals picked a title.
The original F-47 was once a redesignation for the World War II era P-47 Thunderbolt. But this is a whole new beast. The world sure loves a good throwback. But trust me, the F-47 we're talking about today makes its predecessor look like an antique biplane. And if you think stealth and speed are impressive, wait until you hear about a certain cloaked upgrade. More on that soon, so don't go anywhere. According to numerous media sources, Boeing clinched the NGAD contract by promising a fighter that can outstealth, outmaneuver, and outthink its enemies. This isn't just a sequel to the F-22, it's a radical leap forward. But that leap also raises big questions. Are we ready for a fighter that can swap between manned and unmanned modes on the fly? That might sound insane, but some insiders say the F-47 could do exactly that. Hey, if you're enjoying this breakneck look at aviation's future, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on cutting-edge military tech. We've got plenty more surprises to come. Let's take a quick look at some of the anticipated features of the Boeing F-47 NGAD 6th Gen Fighter.
The Air Force is going to be awarding the contract for the next generation air dominance platform to Boeing.
1. Ultra Stealth Airframe. Boeing's F-47 will likely boast next-level stealth contours and advanced radar-absorbent materials. Some experts believe it could reduce detection range by over 50% compared to current 5th-gen fighters. Sneaking past enemy defenses has never looked so effortless. 2. Adaptive Cycle Engine. Aviation Week reports that the program's adaptive engine could automatically shift gears between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes, delivering both incredible acceleration and extended range. Translation: fewer mid-mission refuels and more time controlling the skies. 3. Unprecedented networking and AI. Remember the idea of manned-unmanned flexibility. That's tied to advanced AI-driven systems. The F-47 could act as a quarterback in the sky, commanding autonomous drone swarms, what some call loyal wingmen, and processing battlefield data in real time. But hey, there's a hidden gem in these design specs that might blow your mind, a rumored directed energy twist. More on that in just a second. Imagine flipping a switch to unleash energy-based weaponry, like a laser system able to knock out incoming threats before they even appear on radar. Sound far-fetched? Stick around. One rumor says the F-47's sensors are so advanced, it could detect targets based on their electronic heartbeat. Before we reveal how this fighter might actually replace the F-22, here's a quick question for you. What new technology do you think will change warfare? Let us know in the comments. And if you're hungry for more defense tech scoops, subscribe so you never miss out. Now, directed energy weapons. While official sources stay tight-lipped, there's buzz about a modular weapons bay equipped to handle high-energy lasers or microwave systems. If even half of that's true, it could make missile-based dogfights feel like ancient history. The capability to disable enemy electronics with a split-second zap, that's the stuff of sci-fi novels, and it could be here sooner than we think. So how soon might we see the F-47 roaring overhead? Reports suggest the Air Force aims for initial operational capability in the early 2030s.
Now we have the F-47, which sends a very direct, clear message to our allies that we're not going anywhere, and to our enemies that we will be able to project power around the globe.
But let's be real. Big-ticket programs often face budget battles and technical hurdles. Still, the Air Force doesn't want to fall behind, so expect serious momentum on the NGAD program. In short, Boeing's F-47 NGAD isn't just a new jet, it's a symbol of how quickly warfare is evolving. From stealth breakthroughs to AI-driven cockpits and possibly directed energy capabilities, the future of air combat looks nothing like the past. The only question, are we ready? If you found this glimpse into tomorrow's battlefront thrilling, smash that like button and subscribe. We'll keep you on the cutting edge of military tech. And don't forget to drop a comment. What do you think is the most game-changing feature of the F-47? We'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching. The skies will never be the same.